we're working on distraction training for Ms. No, leave it. Good. For Ms. Xena. Focusing on the leave it, impulse control, a loose leash walking, even though there's a high distraction. Good. We start with very small distance between she and I. A larger distance between the dog and her. Other distractions and her. Leave it. No. This way. Leave it. Good. Crucial to teach her leave it with high distractions. Honey. Good. She's going to earn her playtime with the dogs. Leave it. No. As she progresses to staying focused, kind of, on me, I will lengthen the leash, i.e. her freedom. Good girl, until it's just dragging. Good. Easy. Good. Easy. Good. Leave it. Leave it. This way. This way. This way. This way. Xena, no. Leave it. Good. Good girl, Xena. Highly distracted. Just going to get her a little deeper into her thinking brain before we let her go. Leave it. This way. This way. This way. This way. This way. This way. Aha, leave it. This way. She's improving significant. This way. Leave it. Significantly. I'm not gonna expect, leave it, a whole lot of time in this first distraction walk. Again, duration, distance, distraction, duration. We're working always on the bubble. Leave it. This way. Good. 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 Easy. Good. Leave it. Okay, honey. Okay. Okay. Good boy, honey. That's her reward. She's frustrated because she can't catch the big girl. Now the cat and mouse game that they love to play. Aloha is a master at. Run, Bunny! Run, Maui! When they get a little more tired, when she relaxes, just gets a little more tired and relaxes a little bit, I'm going to call Aloha, and that will teach her that no matter what's happening, I have to come and call, because Aloha will come and call, and she will learn vicariously by watching my dog. But it's going to take repetition, 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 so she thoroughly learns it, understanding cause and effect. I'm going to get closer to her so I can step on the leash when I call. Come. Sit. No. Come. Sit. No. Sit. No. Yes. 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 Okay, guys. Okay, honey. Because it's the first time with the distraction training, first time with the high intensity pack training. I wanted to assure success. Therefore, I did use the leash. I set her up for success. Very, very important to set her up for success. Honey! Sit! No! Sit! Zaha, you too. You too. No, sit. Wait. Good. No! No! Sit! Yes! Everybody gets some. Yes! Come on, honey. I gotta shorten that leash next time I do this. Yes! Good girl! Next time she comes to me, I'm going to reward her for coming to me, and that's referred to as shaping. I'm shaping the behavior that she's already doing. Don't have to put a command to it. Okay. I'm sorry, honey. I'm sorry, honey. Don't have to put a command to it. I just reward her for doing something she's already doing, shaping. So when she comes to me, I'm going to reward her. And that is to help teach her what a good thing it is to continually check in with the handler.